Reflex failed to initialize error on PC. 1. Restart your PC. Close the game completely. Restart your computer normally. Launch the game again afterward. 2. Update graphics drivers. Install latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU drivers. Use clean installation option if available. Restart your PC after updating. 3. Disable NVIDIA PhysX/Reflex features. Open NVIDIA control panel. Disable reflex or low latency features temporarily. Relaunch the game afterward. 4. Verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Go to LEGO Batman Game Properties. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Install latest DirectX runtime. Download and install latest DirectX runtime. Make sure DirectX 11.12 components are installed. Restart your PC afterward. 6. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++. Install latest Visual C++ redistributables. Install both x64 and x86 versions. Restart your PC after installation. 7. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the game shortcut or exe file. Select Run as administrator. Also run Steam Epic Games Launcher as administrator. 8. Disable overlays and background apps. Disable Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar. Close MSI Afterburner, OBS, and RGB software. Stop unnecessary startup applications. 9. Lower graphics settings. Launch the game in windowed mode. Reduce graphics and shadow settings. Disable ray tracing or advanced effects if available. 10. Reinstall the game if issue continues. Uninstall LEGO Batman completely. Delete leftover game/cache files manually. Install a fresh copy of the game again.